Hello everyone, this is Posh Politics, back again. I wanted to talk a little bit today is Sunday, October 6th, about something that's very important and close to my heart and has to do with what's going on in politics right now. I pulled out my paper, and of course you can't look at any newspaper right now and not see this man's face. Can you see it? Who is that? That's President Barack Hussein Obama. If you also saw the headline, it's talking about, he's talking to the public saying, don't give up on health signups. I hope you know what that headline is referring to in terms of health signups. If you don't, I'm going to take a little bit of time just to let you know. So this channel is not going to be partisan. We're not going to be talking about Republicans. We're not going to be talking about the Dems, the Democrats. What we're going to talk about is politics, real issues, things that affect everybody's life in a smart and fashionable way. And so healthcare is both smart and fashionable. Healthcare is posh. We have to have healthcare. If you break your leg, if you get pregnant, if you get some sort of health issue, if your tooth aches or anything, everybody deserves healthcare so that you can go to see a professional and get these things fixed. It's very simple, right? But unfortunately, here in the United States of America, everybody doesn't have health care. So one of the things that President Barack Obama did while he was in office was pass the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act. Part of that was just letting people have an opportunity to get health insurance. Really, what is it? What are all those words? Some people call it the ACA, some people call it Obamacare. What we're talking about today is a little part of it called health insurance exchanges. It's a part of the ACA. I'm not calling it Obamacare. I'm not calling it health reform. I'm calling it ACA. So, part of the ACA, again, is the health insurance exchanges. And so when President Obama says don't give up on health signups, what he's talking about is on October 1, 5 days ago, across the country, in states across the country, no matter where you are, enrollment started for health insurance. So if you don't have health insurance currently, or you want to learn about more options, go onto healthcare.gov and see how you can sign up, because now across the country there's a way to do it. Right now the government is shut down, but it doesn't mean that you can't go and get more information about health insurance. And there's so many Americans right now that aren't insured that I have to urge you to do it, just like this man, President Barack Obama, did as well. So the point of this video is to let you know that you need to get educated, number one. Number two, health insurance exchanges are open right now. That's what the health signups are. And number three, no matter what you've heard in the news, any misinformation about the government shutdown, it's not for you, it's not going to pay for yourself. At least know the issues for yourself, so that if you want to get health care, if you want to learn about it, you can. Because as an American, that's your right. That piece of legislation has passed, and that's your right. So that's what I wanted to talk about today. That's the headline that spoke to me today. So again, that website is healthcare.gov. I've gone on it a couple times. I heard last week it crashed on Twitter. Keep trying. There are a lot of Americans. I don't even know the number, but I'm not going to say because I could be like terribly wrong. But there are a lot of Americans in the United States of America. So maybe the site crashed a little bit, just like Twitter crashes sometimes. Yeah. So just keep clicking, keep refreshing. But go to healthcare.gov. Learn more. All jokes aside, like the president says, don't give up on signups. Don't give up on our government as a whole, whether we're in a shutdown or not, whether people are fighting or not. Don't give up on it. Government is here to help people. That's posh. That's smart and fashionable. That's my word. That's Posh Politics. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Peace.